Hello viewers, continuing with this talk on scoring high in anthropology, optional for UPSC Civil Services Main Examination. There is one particular topic that I want to take now, that is scoring high through anthropological thought. This can be considered as the heart of the discipline. See, if one sees the syllabus of anthropology, the theoretical element, that is anthropological thought, whether Indian anthropological thought or the general anthropological thought, it seems to be covering in maybe one or at the most two chapters in the entire syllabus. But that doesn't mean that the importance of it has to be undermined. You have to know that the evolution of the discipline and the applications of the discipline, they all lie within the foundations of anthropological theory and how the theory evolves. See, for a student generally writing an answer in social anthropology, incorporating anthropological theory may not sound to be a very difficult task. But then what is the key issue here is, irrespective of the branch of anthropology, whether it is the physical anthropology or tribal studies or even archaeological anthropology, all of them to a certain extent or in understanding the scope of it, the principles of it, they all depend on the theory, anthropological theory. So the thumb rule is, all your answers in the exam, irrespective from which part, which chapter, which branch, etc., see to it that you incorporate anthropological theories. If not the theory, at least one should be able to incorporate the works in the answers. And that is the key thing here. You would actually be amazed by the way the result blossoms, which actually would help you to be placing yourself in the topmost ranks in the UPSC. So think from the perspective of anthropological thought and score high. All the best.